In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen from your clip. Okay, first I'm going to drag in my background. It's a medieval style old village. And now I'm going to grab my green screen clip and drag that in. It's of this weird looking Dr. Bird thingy person. Very odd. So select your green screen clip, come over to Effects and search for Ultra Key. Drag that onto our clip. Go over to the effects control, come down to the key color and select the eyedropper tool, and it's literally as easy as clicking on the green. This will remove all the green from your image and you'll just be left with your subject. Easy as that. Now this weird doctor guy's in the right place. For this example, it's done a pretty good job, but sometimes if it doesn't quite do a good enough job, you can just come across to these settings and fine tune it to suit. You enjoyed the weird medieval doctor? Subscribe for more.